Okay, everybody, this is going to be a practice project to calculate the hypotenuse of a right triangle, which we can find with this formula. Formula is C is equal to square root of A square plus B square. This is the formula. Then first we are going to declare variables. Let's go and declare variables. Double A, double B, and third is double C, right? Make sure that you are including C math as well, because we will be using the power function as well as square root function. At this point, we will accept some user input from side A and side B, right? Then just write standard std cout standard out, then enter the message, enter side A, right? To get the value, let's go just type standard C in value A, right? Then again for the B side, standard C out, then enter side B, right? Then take input for B, C in B, right? We handle this formula step by step. How we can? We have to first find out the square root of A square. We will find first A square, then B square, then we will square root of those two value, right? Power the value of A, then A is equal to whatever will be the input. We will go ahead and find out the power of that function A, right, square, and then we will find B in the same way, power of B input, B side. Okay, then we will find the square root of A plus B, right? Then C is equal to, we will hold that value into C, sqrt of A plus B, right? A plus B. Then we will display whatever C is. To display that, standard followed by two colons C out, side C, right? Side C. Now just press Ctrl S and then go ahead, run the program. It's asking for side A. Let's type side A is 4. Then it's asking for side B. Let's type 4 again. Then what is the answer? C is 5.685. That's the hypotenuse of the triangle. We could shorten this code to, we could say that square root of in this way, right? We can go ahead and we can just short it down. We can find sqrt of power of A. Just copy this, paste here, and then power of B right here. At the place of B, we have to just remove that semicolons, okay? And we can do this comment line. Just Control S, hit run. We need one more brackets, right? for this power. Okay. There you are. It's asking for A. Let's enter A. Let's side B. We have C is equal to 4.24264. Now you can enter different values and you can find different answer. Write 6, hit again 4, hit run. You have hypotenuse is 6.16. That's the another way of writing it in less line of code. Let's try with the different number. You can try with the different number. Yeah, everybody, that's a simple practice project to get used to accepting user input as well as some math related function. If you'd like this, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.